Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Zara from Sajjad Zara Makeup by Zara. Super duper excited to welcome you all to my brand new YouTube channel. This is the look that we are going to replicate today, step by step for all my viewers. So let's get started. So guys, now we'll start replicating the look. We'll start from the first step, which is the most important step, cleansing your face. I use Garnier Skinactive Micellar water for cleansing my skin. It has been a product that I have been swearing upon since the past 2 years, since it came in the market, I would say. And now they have taken out one more edition, which is oil infused, which I am trying at the moment, but I would be reviewing it soon to you guys. Today I've prepped my skin already. Usually I do it in front of the camera, but today in a hurry I have prepped my skin already. So the first product I use is Garnier Micellar, and I have cleansed my skin with that. The second product that I will use is Revolution Face Base Primer, which you put prior foundation on your skin. So I take a good amount on the tip of my finger. And dab it right onto my skin. It's always better to dab your skin rather than stroking it away, so that it gives a more settled, more subtle, more finished look. I'll dab it all onto my face and my neck, also the under eye area, and a little bit on the above eye area as well. Some people do it, some don't do it. I do it. So here we're done with this second step. The first was cleansing, the second was priming, and now the third step is base. I would be applying Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation. Beige is the color for my skin tone. If I would like to go a little bit brighter toned, I would mix nude and beige together. And for you, you would have to go and check out their stands for your skin tone. So I would take 2 pumps of Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation. It's a full coverage foundation. And I would start dabbing in my skin on a wet beauty blender. I usually use a corrector and a concealer for my under eyes. As you can see, the dark circles are quite visible, but this Masarrat Misbah Silk Foundation is such a good coverage foundation that I don't feel the need doing with it. So if I can skip the extra steps, why not? But if you have really dark under eye bags, so I would recommend to use a concealer or a corrector prior base. So now that you can see that I've done my foundation, the next step I'll do is my concealer. This is Tarte's Tape and Shape Concealer for my skin tone in light. I would be also using this concealer as an eyeshadow primer for my eyes before I start my eye makeup. a damp beauty blender, I'll blend this in. This was the most affected area of my face where the concealer was most needed because I have a lot of dark circles. Otherwise, I do not have a lot of discoloration or any other big pimple marks on my face. So, won't be using concealer anywhere else other than this. Now after I've finished with my concealer, I would be starting with my eye makeup, and I would be using this palette, Violet Voss into Zahra Ali, for my entire eye makeup look for this video. This is a limited edition Violet Voss into Zahra Ali. You can find it on their website and you can also find it on eBay. Starting with my eye makeup now, I would be starting with my crease with this Urban Decay Naked 2 palette brush. You can get it on their website and you also get it with their Naked 2 palette. Using the two colors for my crease from this palette, Raga Muffin and Mama Bird. Now taking this Bullet Smudger brush by BH Cosmetics and taking the color Bubs for the corners.
This is a long road we crave for a ray of sunshine. Now we are halfway there, we're keeping focus on that.
Now taking the color Alabama and further blending in with my crease with the color Bubs to create a more blended look. Now with this Real Technique Pofy blending brush, I would be blending in more the corners and the crease together. Now for my eyelid, I will be taking Larly and Tickled Pink from the same palette using this flat concealer blending brush by Bobbi Brown. Now for my brow bone, I will be taking two colors again. Basic to create a base for the brow bone, and then the color Sugar to give it a highlight. after creating this line for my brow bone, I will be again taking this Pofy blending brush and blending the brow bone highlighter with my crease.
This is a long road we crave for a ray of sunshine.
Now after I've done with my brow bone, I will be increasing the intensity of my corners again with taking the color bulbs and now mixing whiskers with it. Now for the inner corner of my eyes, using this bullet smudger brush, I will be taking tickled pink and working it all the way in my corner. Now for the lower lash line, I'll again take this bullet smudger brush. This is the most useful tool while doing an eye makeup, at least for myself. I will be taking bulbs again on the very tip of this brush and will be blending on my lower lash line, near my lower lash line that is. Joining the wing here. Now after I've been done with my eyeshadow, now we'll do the eyeliner, and for my eyeliner I'll be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Pot Black Liner. After we are done with our liner, we'll take whatever is left on the same brush and just create a little darker intensity on the lower lash line as well. Now for my waterline, I'll be taking this NYX Jumbo Crayon pencil. I'm using the white pencil to give an open and a brighter eye look. Now after all this, I'll be doing my mascara. I usually do my mascara after I do my white pencil. Whenever I'm putting white pencil, that is because whatever fallout of the white pencil is on the lashes, that can be covered with the several coats. For my mascara, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Volume Express. I will use 2 to 3 coats of this to give a dramatic and a more eye-opening look, as I'm not using any false lashes for this look.
We got a long ride ahead, need to leave in no time. Hoping the better, 'cause I'm a fraction of myself. Running forever, I'll be if there is nothing there. Feel adventurous, embrace the pain. When I'm with you, that's how I do. We are gonna run.
are done. And for my brows, first I'll use the Spooly brush. As you can see, I have thick bushy brows, blessed with my Iranian genes. I'll comb these out evenly so that all the hair are intact in place. Second, I'll be using this angled liner brush or brow brush, taking the same color Bubs, which is a darker brown, and filling whatever areas the filling is required for the brows. Starting from the lower part.
We got a long ride ahead, need to leave in no time. Hoping the better, 'cause I'm a fraction of myself. Running forever, I'll be if there is nothing there. Feel adventurous and brave.
Now for contouring, I'll be taking this Anastasia Beverly Hills light to medium contour kit, as you can see. Using Morphe M442 brush. I hope you can see this.
Feel adventurous and brave the pain. When I'm with you, that's how I do. We are gonna run the night away. Now we are one, and like you, I want you.
Last but not the least, using Becca Opal highlighter with this fan brush of Morphe number G23. Oh man, that glow. Now for the lip color, I'll be using Kylie's Candy K. Going in with the wand.
I'll be if there is nothing there. Feel adventurous and brave the pain. When I'm with you, that's how I do. We are gonna run the night away. Now we are one, and like you, I want you.
Concluding it with the setting spray of none other than Urban Decay All Nighter. And we're done. So guys, with the completion of this look, we are done for today's video. Do let me know how did you find this look, whatever questions regarding this look you want to know about. All the products used in this video are listed down below. In case you have missed anything, please go down in the description and follow up. There's gonna be a lot more in our next video, from beauty tips to makeup tutorials, from cut crease makeup to bridal makeup to model makeup. So stay tuned for much more. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Sajjad Zahra Makeup by Zahra, and do not forget to hit the bell button for our latest updates. Till then, see you. Ciao ciao.